We start the drawing by first creating an inverted T shape. This will be our reference point. We start the drawing by creating an ellipse. On both sides of the ellipse, we draw straight lines to form the base of the king's crown. We draw curved guidelines on the right and left sides of the drawing. We connect both sides of the drawing with zigzag lines. We repeat the same design in smaller forms. To indicate the diamond parts of the king's crown, we draw round circles. Similarly, we draw 3 round shapes on the main form to complete the king's crown drawing. After completing the detailed drawings, you can color your drawing using your coloring pencils.